everybody. Guess who? This is Sherry at Cherbourg Cottage, and I'm happy to be back in my craft room today. It's gonna be a hot one, but what I just wanted to do was show. I have a little haul here that I got from Amazon and from Dollar Tree and in the mail. I just thought I'd share with you. And so this is just going to be a short little video, and I can't wait to use my brayer, so let's go. Okay, this right here, these are washi tape. You know, during the washi tape phase, I never bought very much washi tape. You know, I didn't understand really, you know, how it enhanced the concept of it, you know, to have a little piece here and a little piece there. But, you know, as time went on, they were making better and better washi tape. I don't know, my camera does not, what do you call it, focus very good on this. But these are the washi tape I bought, and I bought these on Etsy. I love to support my Etsy store people. Love that. Okay, and then, and this was from Printed Heron, formerly Open Space Designs. So that's her card, and she is on Instagram at Printed Heron. And she's at printedheron.com. But I bought these from Etsy. So she must be on there as Printed Heron too. Okay. Now, these guys, I'm so excited to use these. These came 3 different sizes in a buy. So, and these are, you know, the hard rubber brayers, which I haven't used. You know, I have not used these things. So I've been wanting to make some of my own background paper. And wow, look at the size of this baby. It's big. Love that. And it has a slot here that you could hang them up. You know, if you had a place to hang them. So this is about a, I don't know, 3-inch. This one is, let's see, 6-inch. Let's measure this little one. Now this is about a 2.5 inch. And then this one, you know, I always try to find the best deal without getting something cheap. You know, something of good quality and something, you know, that I can afford. So I found these. They have a lot of them on Amazon, but these look the sturdiest to me. It looked like it had the easiest grip, you know, and for 3 of them, right? This one is almost 4 inches. Okay, so I got 2.5, almost 4, and 6 from Amazon. You just go to Amazon and you put in hard rubber brayer or just a brayer, and you'll come up with a million different kinds. But this was a 3-pack that came together for one price. I don't remember. Maybe about $12, maybe $13, something like that. Well worth it. Okay, so that's them. Now this, you're going to say, what the heck? This is to do your nails with. Well, it is, but, you know, I use this in my craft room. Also, these sponges right here is what this is. This was a white one, and I cut off, you know, the scratchy stuff, cut that off, and it works wonderful on your ink, and it doesn't absorb much ink, and it doesn't waste the ink. You can go real sharp on the edges, or you can make, you know, circles, or you can bring the ink in like that. I love them. So I probably won't be buying many more of, you know, these things. I have trouble with these all the time, but I'll use them because I have them. But that's what these are for. And then, of course, I got to save a couple for my nails. And then there's some different kinds of texture for sanding down things. And then this stack right here is the ones to do the edges and to do some really good scratching up on shiny paper. So I got that, really good price, Amazon. All right, moving along. The next thing I got was, these are butterfly die cuts. Now, I don't have any butterfly die cuts, but I do have a little butterfly punch. But I got these at Dollar Tree, and I thought they were just beautiful. And look at these and all the sizes there are. There was 32 of them in here. I've already used a few. These here are the biggest. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? They give you like 3 of those. No, 2 of those big ones. You know, and then we have some medium-sized ones. Oh, I just love these. And then here's another different kind right here. Look at that one. Amazing. Wow. So pretty. And the gold on them, oh, that's just a super extra touch. Extra touch. Love the purple blended into the green and then down into the black with the gold. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. I'm trying to show these without glare. Okay. Look at this one. Pretty. Yeah. These have a little piece of paper up here to cut off, and I like to cut this little part in here where the die cut machine went around and left that little white in between. I showed you that one. Look at that one. Did I show you this one? I'm not sure. We'll have another look here. Oh dear. Yeah. And then that's the medium-sized ones. That's a pretty one. That one's all green. Love it. I wish they would have had dragonflies too. I'd have bought them. But I didn't see any but these. So, and my friend was shopping with me, and actually I wouldn't have seen these had she not shown me. Yeah. Then there's several little ones, you know. Oh, let's get these off here. Like this. Yeah. But 32, can you believe that? This one's a little different. And there's 1, 2, 3. I see 3 or 4 like this. Anyway, so, and then they come down to the smallest, you know, this size. Nice, huh? Love them. So I wanted to share that with you, because you'll be seeing those in some of my creations. All right, let's get these together. I want to get them back in the bag ASAP so I don't lose them and they don't get damaged. Yeah. Let's put oh my goodness. All right, here we go. This one, I'll do the big, I won't do them one by one, I promise. You know what, you guys? I am such a dingling. I cannot remember again how to, because I only used it once and it worked for me and I was up over the moon about it. How to fast forward, you know, some of my video. I mean, I can do the whole thing, yeah, or I could not do it at all. But for some reason, I lost the ability to fast forward in places, so I'm still working on that. Then I sent away for this. This came from Utah. It was, this was an Amazon buy, and I didn't expect to get it so soon. I bought, and I love the envelope. Haven't seen these kind of envelopes in years, so I will use that in a journal. And look, they have a bunny and a butterfly. Cute. And a stamp. Okay. So this, I'll keep it on the white paper so you can see it. This is a template, and it's acrylic. And I didn't know it was so good. But when it came, I could tell it was in really good condition. Has these marks here. I think they're for measuring. There are little niches on each side. But what this paper, this cardboard represents is the edge of your cover that you're making for your journal. And you slide it in here, right? And then you know exactly, I don't know if I can slide that out, and I got to get this one out first. Well, I'll figure out how to get that out, but you slide it in here, okay? And then you use your knife and you cut right here along this, and you have exactly the amount you need for it to make a perfect corner. Can you see that? Yeah, it's 1/8 of an inch. You see, I always get it too short or too long, and I don't like that. And so I thought, I saw somebody use one of these. Well, it wasn't quite like this, but they had one, and I thought, man, oh man, I gotta have that. So there it is. I'm excited about that. That's the end of my haul, and I wish you all a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. Oops.